Hola a todos! Hello everybody! Today I think I want to build a farm because we need a lot of food for our adventures. I think I have enough hilo. Let's see. Yes! Now we can get some animals. Now we can get some milk, leche. We can get some pigs, cerdos, and a bunch of stuff. Why do I hear zombies? I don't like that. You guys are supposed to be dead. It's daytime. Okay, we can build the farm right here, right next to our casa. Farm in Spanish it's granja. Granja, ha ha ha. Oh, we don't have enough. Let's make some hacha to get madera del árbol. Okay, it's noche already, I think. Let's see if we can fall asleep. Dulces sueños. The chat said dulces sueños. It means sweet dreams. I think that's enough. Okay. We were so close. We need 2 more. Yeah. I'm a little bit worried that a creeper might appear and kill destroy everything. No, I don't like that. Why do I keep hearing zombies? Is there a cave nearby? Anyways. Now we go to an adventure to get some animals. We need a cow, una vaca. We need a sheep, una oveja. And we need chickens, gallinas. Let's check what do we need. Okay, we need food, comida. Necesitamos un pico, hacha. Oh, let's make espada de hierro, okay? I think that's good time to make espada de hierro. And for that we need madera. We need this. We need this, and what else do we need? We need the cuerda. Cuerda. We need nuestro bote. Where's the bote? I think I left it in the water. Let's build our espada. Yeah, now the zombies will be crying. Ven, gallina. Here you go. For being a good chicken. We need 2 of each. If we don't have 2 of each, then how can they, make babies? Hacer bebés. Okay. ¡Vamos de aventura! Hora de aventura. Llama a tus amigos. Vamos a tierras muy lejanas. Con Jake el perro y Finn el humano. Y diversión siempre tendrás. Es hora de aventura. Do you guys recognize what I just sing? That's a classic. Adventure time. Intro song. Okay, there's more chickens over there. We need a sheep. I think I killed them all. I probably killed all the sheep. Ovejas yo, ovejas tú, todos queremos ovejas sí, ovejas yo, ovejas tú, todos queremos ovejas sí, ovejas yo. Ovejas para mi granja. Cerdos. Tengo 2 cuerdas. ¿Podré llevar mis 2 cerdos? Ahí. Ovejas. Ustedes son más importantes. Llevamos 2. Ven. Aquí hay muchas ovejas. Pero en mi casa estarán más cerca. ¡Ah! No. Oh, I can get them back. Okay. No sabía. I didn't know they can break. What? What? That's so silly. For a moment, I just spoke Spanish and I didn't realize. I'm sorry, guys. Can you guys swim? Yeah, you guys can swim. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try to go slowly because I don't want the cuerda to break. Voy con mis ovejas. Tengo 2 ovejas. Tengo 2 ovejas para mí, para mí. Come. Coming fast. No, the chicken is leaving. Oh, doesn't matter. Who cares about the chicken? Yeah. No, you guys, no. looks so cute. That's a little pollito. In English, it's like baby chicken. I think. You go inside. Go inside. Get inside. No, pollito. Okay, we need seeds. Quiero mi pollito, mi pollito se escapa, mi pollito se escapa, mi pollito se escapa. Sit, okay. Míralo. Uy, vengan. Vengan. Aquí estarán seguros. A salvo. Entra. Ay, pollito. Ay, qué lindo. When you have a word and you wanna make it cute or tinier, you end it with ito. For example, we have pollo. So the smaller version will be pollito. Okay, if you have the vaca, the cow, it will be vaquita. But that's just like the cute way to say the word, because vaca, the baby vaca, it's ternero. It has its own word. But if you don't know how to say it, you can say vaquita. We did it, guys! We managed to build our granja! Well, we're missing vaca and cerdos. We're missing vacas and cerdos. But I think that's enough for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for helping me build my granja. And I'll see you guys in the next episode with more things to do. Okay, bye bye. See you later. Nos vemos luego.